Nice and clear. And then we've got the new circuit, so that's all ready to go. We don't clamp it or cut it yet. We get the new circuit ready and we prepare that so that's ready to go. And we'll show you how to do that once it's brought in. So we get all of our equipment ready here. So we need a minimum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clamps. Always better to have the metal clamps. So if you don't have any, get some, because the metal clamps are much better than the blue clamps. The blue clamps tend to let fluid and air through them, whereas the metal ones don't. When you're clamping, it's also important. So this one is a good one. So most of them here have a little guard on them. Okay? If you clamp all the way down to the base here, this bit here, which comes together, will sever the tubing. So you don't want to do that. So get in the habit of clamping across there. Okay? So that you've got some air on both sides. You don't want to clamp like that because it leads to partial clamping. You're not fully compressing the tubing and you can still get flow through it. Okay. So we've got 6 clamps. We've got 2 pair of scissors. We've got 2 catheter tip syringes. Okay? Important to have 2. We've got 4 connectors. There's the box of connectors. This is why we always keep checking. Oh no, 2.
Yeah, I was thinking 2.
No, fine. I was thinking the other thing. I'm going to rejoin at the end. That's all. I'll need another one for that. So 2 3/8 straight connectors. Okay. So we've got everything ready here. We've got our cleaning solution. We've got our gloves. It's a sterile procedure. So gloves, gown. Get ready. So we've already decided that once we clamp the circuit, the patient will very quickly desaturate the rest. There's Bonnie.
Or we need the scenario.
Yeah, so if we just show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's on. So we just need to trigger it. Yeah, we'll just show you what. So this would be real time. So if we go through to where we clamp. So
You will tell him when to start?
yeah, so now. Up.
Are you ready? Okay.
Now.
Start now.
So the clamp's on, and just watch. So we'll just sit here and watch. We're alarming because we've got no flow. And we're starting to, the sats are starting to fall. You may want to press the right button because the sats are remarkably high. I think you need to flick to the next one. The next one, yeah. Okay. So you can see now, sorry, that we're just on the previous bit. So we're heading down now. Down we go. And so this is what will really happen.
Saturation dropping.
Saturation's progressively dropping. Down to
BP is
70.
dropping, heart rate is dropping.
And then you end up with a bradycardic arrest. Okay? And so you see it hasn't been terribly long. And we're pretty much in asystole. Okay? So you can see it happens quite quickly. So you need to be prepared and talk through and think about what you're going to do before you do it. Okay, we can reset, please, Bonnie. Back to the beginning. So, what we'll do is we will start with, we'll walk you through it. Yeah. So let's just part a little bit and bring the new circuit in. So our perfusionists have prepared our new circuit.
They can do this circuit now.
Okay.
Thank you.
We've cleaned the tubing. We've got some drapes underneath. And then we've got some drapes over the top. And over the top. Okay? So we've got our tubing on display. We can clearly see that we've got access and we've got return. Okay? It's important to know the difference between the two. We then get our new circuit. It's important at this stage the patient is stable. We don't want to cause harm, so we prepare the new circuit first and get it on. So if we bring that over, please. Okay. So we've got our new circuit. So it will of course come out of the box, so it will be suitably sterile. So the operator is clamping, so I'm clamping this side, and the perfusionist has that side. Okay? This is all sterile inside the box, so we'll take this apart, do that, take that apart. Oh. And sometimes that happens if the clamp comes off. Okay. This is why you want really good clamps. Okay. So this, despite the fact that it's blue and despite the fact that that's red, is actually coming out the other way around. We won't worry too much about it. Yeah, this is blue. So we can take it down there. That's off here. We're not going to reach, we're going to have to cut on this bit. Okay. Okay, so we then keep preparing.
This is leak.
So we'll reduce the confusion by cutting off the filaments. We'll have to cut those back in. So we then pre-prepare our circuit. So we're ready to go here. So we've put the 3/8 connectors already in. Yeah. Now the reason we do that is twofold. One, it's much quicker because with only one join rather than two, or two joins rather than four. The other thing is, once you've cut this, if you've got 3 pieces of tubing, 6 pieces of tubing in the bed, without connections on them, it's really easy to put the wrong thing together. And it's all about reducing error in a hurry. So, who is going to be doing it on your side? You? And which nurse? You. Perfect. So, Kath and I will do this side.
We've got our perfusionist here that
And
will
our
control
perfusionist is
echo.
controlling,
Echo.
coming off one pump and onto the other.
Yeah.
So it's about communication, so that's for you. So, we then allocate one nurse to look after the patient, okay? So you're getting ready to give the patient do any resuscitation. We would turn the ventilator up to 100% oxygen. Even if the lungs don't work, it's ideal. Makes you feel better. You're ready with any resuscitation drugs that you might need, adrenaline and atropine in particular, and you're ready to potentially do CPR. Okay?
So we've got Dr. Nurse,
So we got doctor nurse. So we have
2 clamps.
2 pairs of clamps. Okay? The process will be, and we won't do it just yet, is we will be clamping the circuit. You don't want to be clamping it just to one side of these little things because they don't allow the circuitry to expand. So you would be clamping it and then cutting it and then joining this one to that one. Okay? While you're joining, you're dribbling so that you're doing a water seal. Okay? So, at the same time, we've got our perfusionist, and our perfusionist will be controlling the circuit and coming off, and it's all about communication. So we've cleaned, we've prepared, we've allocated people to different roles. The perfusionist is there. So,
This is Venus.
That's the Venus. Yeah, don't worry about that bit.
Ignore the colors.
It's just is what it is. It wouldn't normally come like that in the box, obviously. Okay. Clear. Okay, so are you ready? We're going to clamp simultaneously. You've got a pair of scissors. You're going to cut. No, you're going to clamp yours, and then you're going to cut yours, and then you're going to rejoin yours. Okay? Bonnie, shall we move on to the destabilizing bit? Ready? Steady, go. So we've got the clamp on, off ECMO.
Off ECMO.
We've cut. We've taken this. Okay. And then one of this is off. How are we going monitoring the patient?
Saturation dropping 70. Bradycardic hypotension.
Okay, see that's full of air, so you're going to have to do that again. Okay. So it's important. Hold. You're in cardiac arrest now. Hold this up and fill it with water that way. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then get some more. Okay. So this is a practical skill that you just need to practice. Okay. And then clamps off, and clamps off back to perfusion. And the patient's dead. Okay? CPR. Okay? We can reset, please, Bonnie. So it's really important. You saw how quick that was and how easy it is. We're going to go back to sinus at the beginning, please. So you could see how quickly that went. Yeah? And the key physical, practical skill here is learning the rejoining. I've done it a bit. So it's about that. And we're back on ECMO and we're back with a live patient. Okay, let's get two doctors here and we're going to reset and we're going to do it again.